Okay, next thing I want to introduce another tools is, of course, it's not Visual Studio and NetBeans. Why I need to introduce this one? Because Visual Studio in our university, if you go to find one of the laboratory, any of the computer installed Visual Studio. Uh, then also another tools is NetBeans. Used it all the time because Visual Studio, Microsoft tools, the IDE's integration development environment, not only for one language, it's any language. For example, C Sharp, VB, uh, uh, F Sharp, VC, C++, C. I think it's any more kind of Microsoft used language all been integrated Visual Studio. But unfortunately, if you use it in your home, want to download it, this is a big size of internet download size. It is if I remember it is uh, Visual Studio 2015 is kind of around more than 4 gigabyte, but it is now is Visual Studio the 19s. It is around less than more than 10 gigabyte, or around the 19 gigabyte. So it's a little bit more. So you need a little bit more time to downloading also. So it's you need to think about it, right? So that's the reason for if you working at home, just learning the C++ and C, just use it, this tools, dev C++, because it is very small, 50 megabyte included compiler, you will be downloaded uh, split way. So that's I recommended the previous video. Now so that's the reason I'm going to introduce the Visual C, these tools, and also NetBeans. Okay, let's start. So when you create this, first of all, you needed to create it, a new project. You needed to start from the new project. There's a lot of, you can say the C Sharp, Visual Basic C, F Sharp, JavaScript, whatever, Python, Zoo, Arzu, it is a cloud platform, whatever. But we needed to start from the C++ desktop, the console application, okay? Go directly. So that's you needed to, okay? Create it, just okay. Wait for some times, you will be get this new project. So this is very similar. Now you will be see such kind of solution. That's source code you need to locate it. For example, that's your CPP file, main file. That's already automatically generated. This is a header, which is you will be include some kind of extra file if you need it. For example, go to the header file, you can open it. There's do some definition. You will be use it all the time. Okay, so let's little bit introduce this. You already know that what is STD, because if you want to, without writing this way, okay, you have to write it using namespace STD, then should be work out. Okay, just save it, Ctrl S. Okay, then you needed to compile. This is a This is your compiler. You can you can right click, you can build. This is will be calling you compiler generate the binary code. So what is the CPP is source code, C language source code. This is which is um, we like to use using the C++ grammar. Finally, when you generate, you will be get binary code, which is you can able to runnable. That's EXE's binary code. We will be discuss what is separately what's binary code, source code, and very important concept is compiler. This is kind of relationship between the those concept has a relationship all the time. We will be explaining in the future. Okay. So this is a very simple. Successfully compiled it, no error, no failure. So you can able to run it right now. Can you just click it this button, or you just run it this way. Start instance. This all is fine. Okay, just so it's hello world. Okay, this is working. Then also I also want to uh, introduce same things as I explained before about debugging. INTA okay, A B okay, A equal to 5, B equal to 6, 8. Okay, 8 fine. Then int result result equal to 5 multiply 8. How much? Okay. Then hello world. After that hello world, you just need to output the result. Okay. RE. Okay. Let's say result equal to something like this. Then also what I want to explain right now is I'm trying to stop here, trying to check it, each of the step of what will be running. So when you click the, so this should be select this debug. So they will be stop here, stop here. So you can able to see the result, and also many things you can able to see. For example, A, you can edit the A, you can add it. Hold on, where is it debugging? Let's see, A, so should be add watch, right? And then add watch, okay, V, and then also add watch RE, okay. So at the first, you still didn't assign the file to A yet, but they will be, you can say that something kind of a very long number, it is a minus even, so which is very, so what that is kind of, this is a random number or whatever. Then you need to, this is step 3, several steps you need to go through. This is a next statement. This is if you have some function, you will be going to function. This is a step over. That's usually we will be use this one, step over. Okay, whatever. Step over. Okay. Now this is a two of them is already changed number, changed the value, so you can able to check the process, but still didn't finished it. Now you need to finish it, keep continue. So you will be see the result, finally result is 40. So that's debugging. This is very useful to sometimes um, uh, sometimes checking the result. Okay, that's it for um, Visual Studio. Any question, just write it down, um, comment, or we have a time to whatever the office hour, you need to ask me the question, okay? Or write it comment and we can discuss it. So my name is Kastir Nurmukhan. See you next time.